right, I'm going to make another zigzag table runner. I got this fabric in from Walmart today. I've got it laid out and I've got to sew it together. All right, I'll bring you back in just a minute. I have started sewing these together now. I'm talking my camera. This is going to be another zigzag table runner. These are beautiful colors that I've got in this pack too, just like that other one. That other was pretty too, with the purple. And this got a little purple, blue, and roses. And beautiful color, fabric. You back when I get these sewed together. All right, I've got this put together, sewed together, and I'm just gonna sew, pressing on the seams. You'll think hear my football going on in the baseball or whatever, it's ball game. My grandson down there watching TV. Press it on top. But this turned out just about as pretty as that other one I made like this. This was pretty fabric too. These are called each splitters. Right, I'll bring you back when I get through. Alright, I've got my batting on the bottom here, and I've got my backing right side facing up, and I've got my table runner face down. So I'm gonna pin these at every corner. I've got to make sure it's closed out. I sewed this together. This is the next one. I pieced this together last night, this evening. Alright, I've got it all pinned down. Now I'm going to trim this about an inch away from each point here. That way I can sew it. That way I'll give it room, leeway. Get ready to sew it. Bring you back when I get all this pinned together. Yeah, I got it on. All right, I am going to trim around the needles. I thought I had all the needles out of it. I'm going to trim around here. And I'm going to cut the ends right here. And I'm going to cut right into the point here without cutting into the in the seam. And I'll bring you back when I get this done. All right, I've got it turned right side out, and I'm going to straighten this out. I'm going to pull the points out. I've got to stretch these out so they'll be all right. got one of the points I've got to pull out. Alright. I'm going to get this done and I'm going to go press it. And I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm going to press this now. And I've got it pinned here to close that opening up, and I'll just stitch over that. Alright, now I'm going to stitch around the edge of this. And that's the opening there, and I've got it pinned down. I've got this quilted on top. It looks so pretty. There you go. Now I'm going to turn this over. Okay. Alrighty. Well, alright. What it looks like when I got it quilted on the back. Isn't that pretty? If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.